Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan. I'm just making a little simple video here for you guys today, and what we are going to be getting into is the Ma Maniére Jordan 3. I want to quickly recap on this release which just happened this month, and I kind of want to discuss why these have bricked in price, because I know a lot of people are curious about that. They're like, Tristan, these are floating right around retail, or some of the sizes are actually floating a little bit under retail, but this is still a really nice shoe. So let's kind of talk about it. I'm definitely going to get into all that, show you all the details of it up close. And well, I mean, what we got with this particular pair, because it is a nice shoe still, regardless. It just, they made enough of them for the demand. Good thing, actually, if you really think about it. They met the demand of how many buyers there were, which at the end of the day, that's a good thing. I mean, it's pretty much everyone that wanted a personal pair, got their personal pair, can go out and get one right now for like retail. But we'll discuss all that. So yeah, if y'all want more unboxing stuff like this, again, I'm just getting moved in to my new spot over here, so that's pretty cool. I got more moving and stuff like that to do today, so you notice I got a new video location. You know, I'm definitely gonna get it set up. Like, this is gonna be filled, this whole entire closet. Like, you're not gonna see any available space. So yeah, just stay tuned for that. Maybe a little like apartment tour or something like that. I'll think about it. Don't forget to check me out down below on my Instagrams. I'm always buying, selling, and trading here. A lot of y'all have been doing business with me recently. So again, if anybody needs chameleon SBs, any of the recent releases, just hit me up, let me know your size, and I'll be sure to get back to you today because I got a little bit more time. So you need any shoes, hit me there. And don't forget to check us out down below at Resell Vision. We're giving away a pair of the chameleon SBs this week, and you can see some of the deals we've done the last few days. So if you'd like to get access to undermarket sneakers, get that every single day. That's what we do. Make sure you guys join down below. Don't miss out on that chameleon SB giveaway, man. That's one of the main things I'll say too. So if you get in there, you have a chance to win. That's what I'll say. And you get access to all the deals that we do, because we got more coming tonight. I mean, again, that's an everyday thing, no joke. So let's get started. So kind of quickly diving into, again, the Ma Maniére Jordan 3. Y'all can see again the box we got on this. It's the same box that's going to be on the upcoming Fossil Stone 4, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But another thing we also got, y'all already know the Ma Maniére logo right here in the center. Like, most of y'all have seen my unboxing for this pair, so you know what it looks like. And if you haven't seen it, again, feel free to go check that out. But there's a lot of unboxings online, so whatever one you choose, you know what I mean? Let me set this down because this box is big. All right, so as you guys can see with this Jordan 3 right here, so on the tongue tag right there, there's the Ma Maniére. Let me see if that's focusing. There you go, the Ma Maniére A. You can see that kind of nice black leather we got on these. Also the gray suede right here by the heel, that Nike Air. Very, very nice. Tag right there, Ma Maniére logo. And then, of course, the tag right there says Nike Air. So matching with the heel. A lot of people really like that. And of course then the quilted inside on these, which is like the same as the 4. So these actually look like they'd be really, really comfortable. This is my personal size. I've been strongly considering keeping it because I did hit retail on this one. So I've been thinking, you know, maybe these with the extra laces they got, because it's like a white pair of laces, I think. Let me double check. Or it's, yeah, these cream color laces. I think this might work really, really well. So I've been thinking about towing these. I might do it, but you both, you know, I'm about to make a few more sales before we do that. You know what I mean? But again, I'll think about it. This is one I'm definitely just going to hold on to, though, because whenever I do have some capital and I'm like, you know, we're looking for a personal, it just might be this one right here, because, I mean, these are clean. That's what I'm going to say. But aside from that and the details on these, I want to kind of discuss the prices on these. So we'll get into that. I'll actually pull up a little screen recording for these, and I'll still keep the pair in my hand. So again, y'all know what we're talking about. I mean, you'll be able to see what we're talking about on the screen, you know. But this actually, I want to show you all something, which is, it's kind of, it doesn't like indicate how popular this release is, but it definitely shows like how Ma Maniére did with getting pairs sold. All right, so as you guys can see, I do have the screen recording up for the Ma Maniére Jordan 3 while you were sleeping, Ma Maniére Jordan 3 Black, whatever you want to call them. And you guys can see here are the current prices. Bigger sizes going for more. Basically, the ones that are harder to find are going for more. This is no surprise. This is a normal thing. This is, you know, stuff we see very, very commonly. And some of the really small sizes, like, you know, actual women's sizes. Because keep in mind, this is a woman's Jordan 3. So, like, you know, some of the actual, like, if you convert it over, some like the popular lady sizes, like 8W, 8.5W, 9W, those are flipping for good money. I mean, go look at the Nina Chanel 3s. Same thing pretty much, because I mean, again, it's a woman's Jordan 3. Those are the sizes that ladies are going for. But, I mean, again, it doesn't really matter, because I don't know any lady wearing, like, 16.5W or 14.5W, matter of fact. So, yeah, those are sizes that, again, probably guys are only going to be some of the only buyers for, unless it's like a girl buying it for like a guy she knows. I don't know, maybe there's probably a lady out there with a 14.5W. I don't know, just not many. But yeah, let me show you guys something. So with the total sales for this sneaker on StockX, as you guys can see, there's only 2,000 sales for this shoe on StockX. Do you remember how popular this shoe was? This shoe should have way more sales than that, but the reason the sales are super low for the sneaker on StockX in terms of total volume, right? Like only 2,000 sales for a shoe that is definitely way more popular. Like there's GR Dunk restocks that get more sales than this. Like, you know, this is more popular than the GR Dunk Low, right? But yeah, only 2,000 sales. That shows you that most people just were able to get their pair through the Ma Maniére website or through the, you know, local Ma Maniére store, you know, a location that was carrying them, an online raffle. It just seemed like it was not hard to hit pairs of these. So Ma Maniére did a great job of making sure the stock was allocated properly for this pair to make sure everyone, well, got theirs. So that's the reason, again, we see the sales aren't like going super crazy. It still has the lightning bolt symbol. Like it's still a popular shoe. Like there's no doubt about that. Like you can see, still very popular. But if you want to know the truth, most people are able to get their pair for retail, or again, just, you know, wait, get a little deal on them now. So that's why the sales aren't, you know, super crazy. Like we're not seeing like 10,000 sales, which is what it, you know, would be if we had a bunch of L's. But there wasn't a bunch of L's because most people are able to secure theirs. So that's one thing I just want to mention about the Ma Maniére Jordan 3 Black. Why the prices are low right now. Still an amazing Jordan 3, and still one I see aging really well. Like this is a colorway you cannot go wrong with. Very easy to wear. And that screen recording. My bad. I do not know why I had that up for so long, but yeah, this is still a sneaker. Like aside from everything I'm saying, like this is one I see aging well. It's an easy colorway to wear, and not to mention like all the details fit really well together. Comes with some extra laces. It's got that Nike Air in the back, something people really you know, come back to over time. This is what, you know, people prefer. The Jumpman throws people off sometimes. It's not bad. Like I have some Jordan 4s with a Jumpman on the back. I have some with the Nike Air on the back. It just depends, you know, what you're rocking with. So that is what I can say again about the Ma Maniére 3 Black, or, you know, while you're sleeping, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, the reason the prices are low right now is because most people were able to get theirs for retail. Ma Maniére did a good job of getting pairs to people in terms of, you know, securing their personal for retail, which again, at the end of the day, that's always a good thing. Can't complain. And another thing I should mention is that I still see these aging well long term. And even though there's a ton of pairs out right now, and of course the market is going to be, you know, pretty saturated because of that, because, you know, most people got their pair, and most people are selling their pair right now if they're looking to get rid of it. Then yeah, I would just play the long game on these. If you have a pair that you're just keeping on nice, I would either, again, sell it right now and really not worry about thinking about it again, you know, just have your personal and that's it. Or again, I would just keep that one on ice for a few years and see what happens, because I think in a few years these won't be as easy to find. And it depends though, because we have to see about Ma Maniére, you know, that hype is still going to be around in a few years. That's another thing to mention. But this is on a Jordan 3, so, you know, people will come back to Jordan 3s. So that's something I thought I would mention, but still such a nice pair in hand. One of the main things I want to mention. And yeah, there are your reasons why it bricked in price. Most people are able to get theirs for retail. They don't have to run to apps. Ma Maniére dropped enough pairs. The stock was fair. They did a sneakers release. That was really easy to hit on. So yeah, there was even exclusive access. I have that. I actually have my pair right here from EA. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much everything I need to say about this one right here. So again, that's a new video shooting location, but do not worry, we're gonna get everything moved in, and this class is gonna be full. It's gonna look really good. Y'all will like that, and I might do like another sneaker collection video, something like that soon. Let me know if y'all want that, because last time I did my sneaker collection video was like a while ago, and I've had a lot of pairs since then. So if y'all want that, let me know. But yeah, here we'll just set those right there. Boom. That's Ma Maniére Jordan 3. No, I'm kidding, I'm gonna put it in the box. But yeah, if y'all want more content like this, again, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Just trying to 200 on this video list, or no, 300. I upped it by 100. Yeah, so I was trying to 300 on this video. New little goal. Let's see if we can do it. Not the end of the world if we don't. And y'all can check me out. My IG's down below is buying, selling, and trading. If you need anything, just DM me. Let me know the size. Any of the recent releases, Chameleon SPs, stuff like that. And check us out down below, Resell Vision. Hey, we're giving away a pair of Chameleon SPs this week, so you want a chance to win a free pair, get in there, man. And you can, the winner will be able to choose up to size 13, so, you know, no BS. Make sure you guys get in there. Do not miss out on that. And the deals we do every single day, man, again, if you're looking to source more items, make more flips, or just, again, get your personals for less, that is what we do. That's what we help you with. And, yeah, you can even see people receiving their stuff, you know, things like that on the screen. Don't miss out. We always try and provide it every single day, and we got more deals coming tonight, so I hope to see y'all there. Don't miss out on that. But I'm T. Thank you, guys. And I'll catch you on the next video coming soon. Don't miss out on that. That'll be, well, tomorrow. I just got to move in more stuff today. So I'll see y'all then. Peace.